I literally just woke up. So you getting all this morning glory, okay? Every bit of it.
You ain't supposed to do that. Why would you do that?
Like, I think that's what Botox feels like. I don't know. I'm probably wrong because I've never had Botox.
Ain't nobody told past me. I'm just so fresh and clean. That's what my face is saying right now.
I get to bring you guys something today that I absolutely love. Let me show you, first of all, what this is. You can use it as a face mask, as a skin mask, as a hair mask, and a detox in your bath. This is 100% organic. If you have sensitive skin like I do, then you know that you have to be very careful with products. Let me just tell y'all, okay, so I'm going to use this as a hair mask and I'm going to use it as a face mask. I've been getting a lot of questions about some of my makeup techniques. Now, this is going to be like, for real, like, let's get ready. This is what I do. But I need y'all to know something, okay? I need y'all to know this. I'm not an MUA, all right? So when I do this, don't come in the comments and talk about,
Shit, that's not even the right brush you're supposed to use, boo.
because I know how something is. Let me tell you, the beauty industry is not always beautiful, okay? Because some of y'all,
You can't do. You ain't supposed to do that. Why would you do that? Girl, now you know you're not supposed to do that.
some of y'all will do it. So I'm just telling you now, this is just what I do. So this is for all the people who don't know all the right techniques. This one for y'all, okay? Us. Ooh. Y'all ready? Y'all ready like Freddy? All right. Kind of difficult for me to talk right now. You can feel the mask firming on your face like within a minute. Yeah, like within a minute, somewhere between 30 seconds and a minute. And what it's doing is it's drawing out all of the impurities. Oh, and let me say this: when you mix your clay with your water, you can also mix it with apple cider vinegar. I just chose water. Yeah, I don't know, no rhyme or reason. But when you mix, you want to make sure you don't mix in a metal bowl. okay? Because this clay, it pulls out impurities from your body, including metals that are not supposed to be there. So it's gonna pull from that metal bowl. So you don't want to use a metal mixing bowl, which is why I use glass to mix the clay and the water. So that's very, very, very important. It is definitely pulling heavy metals from your body, which is why I love this. I use bentonite when I detox. Not this kind, but it's another kind that I get from Publix, and it's a detox. It's a bentonite clay detox, a liquid clay that you put into your water, and you basically do that for as long, I think Bay and I do it for like 30 days or something like that. I don't know, don't quote me on that, okay? But we do that and it cleanses everything from your body, okay? So when I tell you bentonite is a cleanser, it is a cleanser. It feels really cool against your skin. It feels calming. It does not burn. It does not feel like, oh my gosh, I gotta hurry up and get this out of my face. You can leave this on anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes. And so that's why I like to do my hair and my face at the same time, and then I could just wash it all off. Y'all, I like literally cannot move my face. I feel like this is what people who get Botox feel like. They do that when they want to say, what you say? They be like, Or when they surprised, they be like, Or when they mad, they be like, Or when they really happy, they be like, Or when they sad, they be like, Like, I think that's what Botox feels like. I don't know. I'm probably wrong because I've never had Botox. I just want you to see how easy it comes off. Ooh. It comes off so easily. And I wanted you guys to see them. Y'all, my hair is going to feel so good. Y'all don't even realize. And it's just taking all those impurities out. All of them. The rest of it is going to come off when I wash my hair. Woo. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Ain't nobody so past me. I'm just so fresh and clean. That's what my face is saying right now.
Y'all about to get all these bad vlog angles. Every last one of them you gonna get today. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. You know, some people just splash their face, but I need a rag, okay? I grew up in a black household. We use a rag, okay? We get all that dirt off. We get all those impurities out of there. Woo. All right, you guys. So I have, y'all. Ooh. Let me tell, okay. I have not applied any kind of cream to my face, my skin. It feels so smooth, so clean. You can tell it is clean. I just did a clay mask.
Oh, it really feels soft for real.
I told y'all.
Feels soft.
My face feels so good. Oh my gosh. And my hair as well. I got my hair back though, because I'm getting ready to put a wig on. And I have it in a low ponytail. But my hair is so clean. It's so super clean. Oh my gosh. Woo! If you want to pamper yourself, get this. Okay, y'all. I'm ready to go ahead and beat this face. And let's get ready.